I have a Honda Civic 2017 plate. This is it. And there's a real problem with the wiper washers. Eventually they end up looking like this. Hardly any water coming out of them, yet the pump's working properly. Searching for information on YouTube, the only videos I could find pointed towards problems with the pump or the filter inside the bottle that fed the pump, and that was restricting the flow. I spent a fair amount of time investigating that, but discovered that there was nothing wrong with it, and the flow coming from the pipes to the washers was absolutely fine. So everything pointed towards the washer jets. So I removed one to have a look at it. They're easy to take out. There's just a couple of clips on the side, both sides. You squeeze them, pull the jet down, and it comes out. Then holding it gently in a vise, I used a screwdriver to pop off the pipe feed, and then a smaller screwdriver to lever out the nozzle itself. And this is what you'll end up with. Now the part that I've found that's causing all this trouble is this little rubber orange piece. It seems to have swollen, and because it's swollen, it's restricting the water flow. I can only assume that it's down to the additives in the washer fluid. So as a quick fix, I've pared down that little rubber piece, as you can see here, in the hope that the water will pass it, but it should still be effective as a non-return valve. Now on reassembly, pay particular attention to the flats on this little pipe inlet. They should be vertical, and there's a snap ring there, so by sticking it in the vise and carefully squeezing it, it should have snapped back into place. Now in the process of investigating this fault, I did have to destroy one to pull it apart to find out what was going on. So obviously I had to buy a new part. And if you have a problem when you're trying to repair your one, then this is the part number for the new one. Best of luck.